Manipur joins nationwide a 3-day intensified pulse polio immunization on National Immunization Day today. Polio drops administered to children under 5 across the state. And Federation of Government College Teachers Association demands 7th UGC pay and regulation 2018 by January 27 or else warns of intense agitation including cease work strike. Kurumjari, good afternoon. You are watching Sunday Afternoon News on Impact TV. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari with you. Our top stories at this afternoon. In a bid to make the country polio-free, Manipur also joined the rest of the world in launching the 3-day nationwide intensified pulse polio immunization, that is IPPI, drive across the state today on National Immunization Day. It may be mentioned that President Ramnath Kovind launched the Pulse Polio program for this year by administering polio drops to children below 5 years at Rashtrapati Bhavan yesterday. The Directorate of Family Welfare Services, Manipur, launched the program at its office in Imphal. Various polio booths are being set up across the state to administer 2 drops of polio vaccine to children below 5 years. Many ASHA workers, nurses, Angawadi workers and helpers are administering polio drops to minors in various parts of the state to make the 3-day program a success. Various private hospitals and nursing institutes are also extending their efforts in the program to eradicate polio disease from the state. Health Director Dr. K. Raju has stressed on the need for India to still take preventive measures against polio even though the country has been declared polio-free since the disease has been spreading in its neighboring countries. Speaking to media at launch of nationwide intensified pulse polio immunization drive by Directorate of Family Welfare Services Manipur today, Dr. K. Raju said the polio immunization is essential as long as polio disease prevails in any other parts of the world. IPPI drive was launched by administering polio drops to children below 5 years.
Pakistan da 2019 da samaga taramathoi lehi, Afghanistan da kunga taruk lehi, Myanmar da Nepal lehi. Sumai tawdana yam active oina moidagi polio si yam kanna thoi banina. Yakoi anytime moidagi akoi da sangpa yaba. Plane da pairakpani khangde mi sina anaba mi sina natraga train da lakpani khangde bus da lakpani khangde yakoi da laga magi mathi mayungdagi Sandokiba yaba aduba anaba oiba pico oral ruta sandokiba yaba yakoina India da polio free oire hairagasu polio se pithibi sinba thungna polio si muthatri baudi polio immunization se adum tawda yadaba posa amoeba polio sisbu koi Bharat tagi Manipur tagi amungana laktana ba masi muthatna bidamta mama mapa sing prajam general public na department mayam na help tawbidana ngasigi naminasida 0.5 anga si but sing da puthorokna polio gi sunatagi drop ani katang piraga punsi asi nungaina leminasi.
Polio drops were also administered to children under the age of 5 years in Yangon Pokpi of Imphal East District today. 10 polio booths were opened under Yangon Pokpi PHC where medical officers in charge and staffs of the PHC provided polio drops to minors. Indian Red Cross Society Imphal West branch also administered polio drops to children as a part of polio immunization program today. Volunteers went door to door to administer polio vaccine to children since morning. It's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring news on warning by Federation of Government College Teachers Association to go on cease work strike if they are not ensured 7th pay scale by January 27th. We'll be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Sunday Afternoon News on Impact TV. Federation of Government College Teachers Association, FEGOCTA, has warned the state government of carrying out intense agitation, including cease work strike, if they are not ensured with 7th UGC pay and regulations 2018 by January 27th. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, FEGOCTA General Secretary Dr. N. Somarendra said Government of Manipur had already approved in principle to provide the 7th UGC Pay and Regulations 2018 to teachers of government colleges in the state, but it has not been put into action till date.
Cabinet na akhoi 7 UGC Pay Regulation 2018 se government na hanasu aurani haidana akhoi verbal aduga written assurance pikre aduga atopa man masi cabinet approval da natana akhoi order se issue to view haidana akhoi feudal side gi demand se thamjabani adu karigumba government na 27 January 2020 dagi government na akhoi feudal side taliba demand se pebi da targadi 28 January 2020 dagi de akhoi series of agitation chathar jargani punna collective sit in protest tongan ba college sing da punna phaminaraga aduga relay hunger strike aduga tangai factor na khoi si swak na sing se sanghan jargani cabinet the in principle si approve to bigre adubu 48 days for phawbada aikoi na haijar ba phawbada ngasi phawba government na masi thabak to onthok pi dabada hi khoi gi tangai phadana masi decision si feotai site gi khoi executive committee meeting phamaga logjabani
39 Assam Rifles organized an employment awareness program at Library and Information Center in Fausapat, Laikai, Kokching district today. Officials of SS Careers Solution Imphal, Medical, Forest Department and banks enlightened the attending students on various career options available. 39 Assam Rifles, 109 CRPF Commandant, 132nd DBSF Deputy Commandant and nearly 500 students attended the program. Thoubal Police, Hairok Police and Thoubal Excise destroyed around 5,000 litres of country and foreign liquor worth around 4,53,000 rupees in front of Excise Office Thoubal today. The liquors were seized from in and around Thoubal and Hairok since September last year. Now the sports news. In the Khelo India Youth Games in Guwahati, a total of 30 gold medals will be decided today. Kho-kho, lawn bowls, boxing, wrestling, swimming, football matches are underway at different venues. Maharashtra is leading the medal tally with 49 gold, followed by Haryana with 40 gold medals. In lawn bowls, home team Assam won 5 gold medals so far. The event has been included for the first time in Khelo India Youth Games. In football, Assam boys reached final in under-17 category. In the first semi-final, Assam defeated Odisha by 3 goals to 1. And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Manipur joins nationwide a 3-day intensified pulse polio immunization on National Immunization Day today. Polio drops administered to children under 5 across the state. And Federation of Government College Teachers Association demands 7th UGC Pay and Regulation 2018 by January 27 or else warns of intense agitation including cease work strike.